Hi kids, so I've heard it through the grapevine that you are not very sure about question 2 on your homework. So I'm going to try the first part, so part 1, and hopefully that's going to give you an idea of how to do the rest of them. So it says in each part DEF is a straight line, so I like to just have a visual representation here. So just this random line, and DEF is a straight line. I can annotate on it. So it says D is 4, 3, so it gives me the coordinates 4, 3. E is 8, 5. And it says nothing for F, but it gives me the ratio of the line. So it says that the ratio of DE to EF is 2 to 3, and it's asking me for the coordinates of F. So coordinates of F, that's what I'm trying to work out. So in the examples we had, we knew the end points, right? And then we knew the ratio of the line, and that's what we were working with. In this case, we know the one of the endpoints, and we know the point on the line. We're trying to work out the other endpoint, but we're going to use the same principle of working with ratio. Okay, and just like we did in class, we are going to label them as we're doing them. So I'm working on the x coordinate first, and I'm just going to look at DE, but I'm just going to look at the x coordinates of DE because that's what I'm working on at the moment. I don't really care about anything else right now. So for DE, I'm checking the x coordinates, like I said. So it's 4, and the other one is 8. The x coordinate of D is 4. The x coordinate of E is 8. What I need to do now is decide how many units is this. So in between 4 and 8, obviously there are 4 units. And I can check these 4 units. What part of ratio does it represent? Remember, I'm looking at DE. I think I need to make this one a little bit thicker, my highlighter. So I'm looking at DE. So the parts for DE is 2. This means these 4 units represent 2 parts. So from here, I can work out that 1 part is equal to, let me just show you the long way around. Well, the long way, like writing for working out. So from this information here, I've got that 2 parts is equal to 4 units. So this means I can work out 1 part, which is 2 units. And it means I can work out 3 parts because I now want to get from E to F, and that's 3 parts. And that's the reason why I'm working out 3 parts. It's not because I'm insane, even though. So 3 parts is equal to 6 units. So now I'm ready to do my x coordinate. I've got all the information. So for my x coordinate, I know that if I start on E, on the x coordinate of E, so if I start at 8, this is the starting point. If I start at 8, I'm going to need to add these 6 more units to account for the remaining 3 parts. So I need to add 6, and that gives me 14. So that means the x coordinate, I'm going to put my answer here at the top in this box. So my answer needs to look like a coordinate, obviously. And I just worked out that the x coordinate is 14. So if you tried it and you got 14, then well done you. What I would like you to try now is to pause me and try to use the same idea to work out the y coordinate. of point F, and then when you're done, just press play, and I'm going to just slowly make my way through it. And we're back. So I'm going to do the same thing for the y coordinate of this point. My lines are just getting worse and worse. So now we're just looking at the y coordinates. So that means I'm going in y in a vertical direction, and I'm still looking between D and E because that's where I have the information. So the y coordinate of D is 3 and the y coordinate of E is 5. So this means between them there are 2 units. Remember, we're still looking at the ratio D to E, so we're back to this, that DE is 2 parts. So this means 2 units represents, I'm going to be fanciful here and write here, 2 parts. So if 2 units is 2 parts, 2 parts, then 1 unit is 1 part. And remember, if we're starting from E, we need these 3 parts because the 2 parts are here between D and E, 2 parts and 2 parts. So we've done the 2 parts, they're given to us in the question, now we need to go 3. So this means 3 units is 3 parts. So this means from the y coordinate of E, because now we need to start from E, that's the last point we know. So from the y coordinate of E, which is 5, if I'm not mistaken, I need to add these 3 units or 3 parts to get to F. So that gives me 8. So this means the y coordinate is 8. So I'm done. The final answer is 14.8. If you got that on your own, amazing. You're very smart. If you didn't, I'm going to share with you tomorrow maybe a little formula that may or may not be helpful with this, depending on how you are with memorizing. But for now, I would like you to at least try to finish, pardon me, I would at least like you to try to finish question number 2 fully. So you've got 4 more to just try this method on. All right? And I will see you tomorrow in lesson. I'm really sorry, I really missed you guys today. Looking forward to see you tomorrow. See you later. Bye.